when you're working, when you're coming up with an agreement or a contract, that you should always have as a business owner in that contract? Just something to definitely, to protect you as yourself as a business owner?
Yes. One of the provisions that you should definitely have is, two, is force majeure, because you don't know if you get sick or die or something like that. You don't want somebody to sue you, or force majeure, like it could be a tornado and your own supplier is not available to get to your warehouse or get to your virtual office to deliver what you need. Then you should have a force majeure contract. Nobody really expected COVID-19 to happen, and a lot of people learned the hard way about force majeure contract. Like, it's an act of God. There's a pandemic, you know what I mean, something going on. There's nothing that we can do about it. There's a disease that people be like, there's a disease we ain't never seen before. Force majeure. Another thing that you definitely should have is an indemnification clause, because if you are going to outsource your business to someone, because we all do. Like, my husband is a software engineer. I don't know anything about software engineering. I just know when I push the button, I need it to do what it's supposed to do, right? And I know enough, working with the Department of Labor for over 15 years. I know enough about human resources, but I'm not really trying to get into people's mindsets and trying to see what the human capital is and what their best things is and what they like or whatever. I got a business. I want you to do what you said that you can do, or you move on.com and I hire somebody else. So because I don't have the patience to be patty caking with people, I would outsource that. And in outsourcing it, of course, you would have an indemnification clause that pretty much says, by the way, I'm trusting you. By the way, I'm relying on you. Yes, I know this is my business and my reputation and my brand. But at the same time, based on your statement of work, you know how to do this. But if you jack up or something happens, I'm coming after your assets. We call it indemnification clause.
Mm-hmm.